We're back in the Weedchi kitchen with our plant-based basics series. Today we'll be making cashew cheese. We start by soaking our raw cashews in hot water for 1 hour or cold water for 3 to 4 hours. Then we drain that water off and pop the cashews into a food processor along with 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the zest and juice of 2 lemons. Then we're going to blend that till it's super smooth, scraping down the sides a couple of times to make sure it's evenly blended. Meanwhile, we're going to sterilize our muslin cloth by boiling it for 5 minutes and then hanging it up to dry just to remove the excess moisture. Once that's blended till completely smooth, we're going to make 2 cheeses with this batch. So I'm going to scrape half of the mix into the muslin and then gather the edges up and tie it with a rubber band and pop it in a colander or similar to leave in the fridge for overnight. So we're going to get 2 of those in there. In the meantime, we're going to get the dry rub or herb mix together and we're going to pop that in a bowl. I'm going to use a Weedchi powder and chilli flakes. You could also use a spice rub or any dry mixture you have. So we're just going to pop that in there and unwrap the cheeses. They'll be firmed up and they'll have lost a little bit of moisture, but they're not too delicate, but do be a little bit careful. So we unwrap that, pop it in the dry rub, pat it down and get it all over the cheese on a nice even layer so that every single side is covered. And I'm going to leave these in the fridge for a week. So that one's a week old and this one is a year old. So that makes fabulous parmesan. And this is the texture you get after 1 week in the fridge. So delicious.